So I think the economy is stabilizing. Nevertheless, we haven't yet seen a strong recovery. The real estate sector will remain a drag. Correction in real estate investment and sales will take at least another 6-12 months. So there's good reason for policymakers to maintain an easy interest rate and credit policy this year. But nevertheless, the foundations are there for recovery, if not this year, certainly next year. So the growth target is certainly challenging, but still achievable if the real estate sector begins to stabilize. But equally, the global economic outlook looks more promising. Exports are recovering across the region. China's shipments are stronger, but so are they in Korea and Japan and other markets. So exports will provide a little bit more drive to the economy this year, which will help. I think exports is the primary positive factor. Again, the recovery or stronger growth in the global economy. US demand is clearly very important, and the economy appears there to have achieved a soft landing. I guess the negative factors are the ongoing correction in real estate, but equally, it's quite important to stimulate stronger consumption. Consumers seem wary, perhaps spending a little bit less than they may have otherwise. So I think to see a stronger recovery this year, we need to see consumer spending accelerate. What might drive stronger spending? Greater confidence in the outlook. China hasn't peaked, it's evolving, and its long-term growth prospects still look very good. The country will remain a global manufacturing hub, will remain a global innovation hub. China matters for the global business. It matters for the global economy. There isn't another China out there at this point. No other economy with China's scale, with China's speed. And so that's a reason for foreign companies to stay here. I think policymakers have options to increase fiscal spending. But to target areas that would provide more support to consumers, such as health, education, maternity care, to provide a floor on this type of spending, especially for low-income consumers. That might provide them with greater certainty in their household finances, and so greater confidence to start to spend more on other types of goods and services. Equally, this type of spending is consistent with the goals of common prosperity. But also would support productivity among the workforce. A healthier, better educated workforce would, as well as an improvement in the demographic situation, perhaps because of better maternity care. All of these things are positive long-term dynamics.